So let us check double equals to and equals to comparison on strings. Yeah. String equals, correct. So now basically hello to Java is there. So now when you compare the content, it will be same. When you compare with when you compare the reference, it will be same because both hash codes will be same. Right? So now if we run this, everything will be executed and it will give you the result because we don't have anything. So now what is this 0? 0 is about compare to. So both are same. That's the reason we are not getting a value. Okay. So now let us copy this and let us paste this one more time and say equals second. So now what we will do, we will not do this. We will do the same things. We will not do this comparison and we'll remove this. We will not do this equals to also. We will do equals and double equals to. We will see the comparisons. Okay. So now what we will do, we will change the way we declare. So we'll say new string. We'll ask Java to deviate from normal way to new way. Like every time it should be a new string. Every time it should be a
new string.
New string. Okay. New string. Okay. Before to this, we will copy once again, and we will say not S1, S3, and S4. Okay. So for S4, I'll say same text only. Again, I'll give you a same text. We'll say hello Java only, not hello Java 2, hello Java, hello Java. So now, first of all, before going to this, first of all, we'll see hash codes of each and every string. Okay.
Okay.
So S1 dot hash code, correct? Hash code. So okay, we'll change to S2, S3, and S4. So which hash codes will be same? Which hash codes will be same? S3 and S4 we are expecting to be same, right?
Same.
So we will run the program. But hash code is same for all. Okay. Hash code is same for all. But if you see this content, when you compare with the double equals to, it is not same because this is doing reference. It is not doing hash code comparison. It is doing address comparison. Okay. So that's the reason we are getting what? We are getting not equals to reference. So reference comparison is not. This is a reference. This is not content comparison. This is a what is that? A reference comparison. This is content comparison. Content comparison. Right? This is content comparison and case sensitive. Also.
Okay.
So one point you need to remember is when you say new of both the strings, the reference comparison will not be same. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
But whereas if we do reference comparison for S3 and S4, will it be same?
S3 and
S4.
S4. Yes, sir. It will be same.
It will be same. Why? The content. So S3 and S4 it is same, right?
Yes.
So that's it about. So that's what we are specifying here. The main difference between the dot equals to method and operator is one is method and one is operator, whereas double equal to operator do a reference comparison, address comparison, I can say. Okay, this is not hash code comparison. It is a address comparison. You said new. Every time a new address came to that. Okay. And in simple words, what I can say, double equals to checks with the both object point to same memory location, because we said new memory location, right? So that's the reason the new will give you a different address, whereas that equals to evaluates on the value. So that's why it give you same content. Okay, right? So that's
Okay.
about double equals to and equals to compare.